Choosing a new email address for your channel is essential to mitigate potential security issues down the line. This precaution plays a critical role in safeguarding your channel's integrity. Utilizing YouTube Studio effectively empowers creators to manage their channels and settings with ease. By accessing advanced settings, you ensure your channel is optimally configured for growth. Starting with a brand channel provides enhanced control and flexibility compared to default channels. This strategy is instrumental in avoiding complications, such as channel deletion after monetization. Selecting the appropriate audience setting is crucial for compliance with YouTube's policies. Creators must choose options based on whether their content is intended for kids or not. Providing accurate country and residency information is vital for channel ranking and visibility. This setting enables better targeting of content to specific audiences. Utilizing keywords strategically can enhance a channel's searchability and ranking. It's important for those keywords to be relevant to your channel's theme to attract the right viewers. Understanding the significance of category selection can profoundly affect your channel's growth and audience engagement. It is essential for content creators to clearly identify their niche. Learning to navigate YouTube's upload defaults and advanced settings will streamline your video publishing process. This optimization ensures that your content reaches its intended audience effectively. Avoiding common mistakes as a YouTuber is vital for maintaining a professional online presence. Being aware of potential pitfalls can lead to more effective content management and improved audience retention.